In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to subscribe to Veo 3. You want to head to Google Chrome. You can use other browsers, but at the moment, Chrome gives you the best experience. In the search bar, search for Veo 3. You will see many websites, but you have to click onto this very first website. Now here, you want to navigate onto the Veo 3 preview. Now you will then slide rightwards to the very last option of Try Veo. On this page, select Flow. You will then scroll to the bottom of this page and see the pricing. Before you even subscribe, you can also try it out for free for a full month. And there's this option of $125 for 3 months. You just want to tap on Get Offer, and then confirm by clicking on Get Offer. You just want to make sure your card or PayPal is linked to your Google account, and then proceed with the process. Well, that's how easy it is to subscribe to Veo 3. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.